It is Monday, March 14th, and today we have a Johnny Lightning unboxing and review video for you today. As you can see in front of you, we have a Blues Brothers theme today. We have their car, which is the one in the middle, and then the other two Monacos, which are dressed up as Chicago police cars. So we are going to not waste any more time, and we are going to open these up. So here we have all three cars out of their packaging. And the first car we're going to take a look at, of course, is the Blues Brothers car. Just give a quick little look around here. They have the distressed Dodge on the trunk. They also have their license plate on the back, BDR529. More distressed markings. Now, something I like about this one, compared to the Bluesmobile I showed you all in a previous video, is that this one has better detailing and is much more screen accurate compared to the one that I showed previously. And I have to give Johnny Lightning credit for the fact that they released a second variant of this car. And I definitely love the side detailing. And my favorite bit, which you can see through through the windows, they have accurate seat color, as well as the spotlight being the right color as well. And they actually colored the front of the push bar black. So not really much else to say. So we're just going to grab one of the Chicago police cars. Metal base, rubber tire with tread. And then real quick, I'm just going to show you the bottom of the Bluesmobile. Something that got my attention when taking this out of the packaging. This version has a lot more detail put into it compared to the previous take, which we'll get to that in a second. You know, metal base, rubber tire with tread, which is a first on this one because you never see this. You know, you didn't see this with the previous Johnny Lightning release. And then obviously, of course, they gave the doors a little bit of a silver trim to it, as well as on the back. And then actually, I'm going to grab my other Johnny Lightning Blues Brothers car. And as you can see, very different. With the newer release, they went with a more matte finish. and did everything they could to make it screen accurate to the car scene in the movie. Whereas their first attempt, pretty much the basic colors and the shapes are correct, just not as much care was taken. So yeah, here's all the cars together. And in case you're wondering, I purchased these three Monacos from a website called jcardiecast.com. I'll put a link for you in the description below so you can buy one of these. But yeah, I think that's pretty much about it for this video. So hope you enjoyed this little unboxing review video, and like and subscribe for more.